Do you put your cover on your Jeep or do you take it off? What looks the best? Is there any benefit to you keeping the cover on, rust-wise? T40 bit. That would be locked, and that's unlocked, and I believe this slides off. Alright, this is a piece that's inside here that's going to go over your backup camera. And it has a little tab on the bottom that kind of locks it. If you could see here, there's a pull cord. If you pull on this cord, it releases the tab. Now, if you have the tab on, that's how you would remove this. Right now, I think what you can do is just kind of slide this on first. And then
you could do by yourself.
It's personal preference, but that is how you remove.
I don't know, like leave it on, let me drive it, let me see it for a little bit.
Right?
I feel like I've been looking at it with it off, so.
Yeah. You drive around for a little bit with it on.
It doesn't like impede any function.
No. I believe it's a aesthetic thing.
But you can get fun Jeep covers.
Yes, but if you have the JL, you'll have to get it with this little plastic
insert, which is going to be a big pain in the ass now for a little while. Hurry up, people. Start making cool stuff for my Jeep.
Yep.
There you go.
On another note, the Jeep soft top lasted through 105 mph macro burst winds. Not too bad. There wasn't one leak or one seam ripped in this hardtop. Best Top Mopar hardtop from the dual top group. Get back! Get back, Cheddar! Oh my gosh! More trees down! More trees down!